Welcome back, crafter and creators. Today we are bringing new life old wood, transforming forgotten wooden pieces into beautiful, cozy X-Mex decor and tea themed craft. It is not about making something pretty, it's about giving you ideas of mindfulness, reusing, and we have and filling our homes with warmth and handmade charm. So grab your old wooden board, a cup of tea, add some and take some pine cones, add some old leather and add some whatever you have. You can decorate yourself by getting ideas getting this video. Let's start by finding that old wooden piece. Maybe it's a small plank, an old tray, or a leftover cutting board. Clean it gently, sand the surface to remove dust and roughness, and let it breathe again. As you sand, feel the texture of the wood. Notice how your hands connect with something natural and grounding. This is mindfulness in crafting, being present in every stroke and sound. Now you can choose to keep its rustic look or paint it with soft Xmas shades, perhaps creamy white, forest green, or gentle red tones. Once your base is ready, it's time to design. You can turn the wooden piece into a tea tray, Xmas signboard, or cozy candle stand. Use jute rope for edges, felt stars for decoration, or maybe add tiny pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or dried orange slices for that natural festive aroma. If you are making a tea corner decor piece, you can paint a small teacup illustration or add a phrase like warm, wishes, and hot in gold or white paint. It will instantly bring a comforting holiday vibe to your space. Let your decorate with small wooden ornaments, fairy lights, or mini trees. Attach them gently with dew, maybe a small reindeer figure, a star, or a ball. You can even add a photo frame space to display family pictures of your favorite X-Mix quad. Let these pieces tell a story of using, recreating, and reviewing joy through simple materials. So you can use very beautifully and you can design very beautifully and amazing ideas by creating this video. Remember, old wood has a soul, it carries memories, and when you recycle it, you give it a second life. You can use leftover wooden planks to make a mini wooden X-Mix trees, candle holders with twine and ribbon, rustic table centerpiece, wall hanging, or message boards. Each creations bring a rustic farmhouse style, elegance that never fades. It's eco-friendly, sustainable, and budget-friendly. A win for creativity and the planet. Crafting isn't just about decoration, it's about emotional wellness. When you create with your hands, your mind relaxes, stress melts away, and your focus sharpness. Here are a few beautiful benefits of mindfulness crafting. It promotes calmness and gratitude. It builds patience and attention to detail. It helps reduce waste by reusing materials. And it fills your surrounding with handmade love and personality. Even a few minutes of crafting daily can become your peaceful tea break. A moment just for you. Once your wooden craft is complete, displayed proudly on your table, fireplace, or cozy tea corner. You can even wrap it in eco-friendly paper. You gift it to someone special. That X-Mex handmade gifts carry heart and attention intentions, far more meaningful than anything store bought. They remind people you took time to create something with love. So as the fairy lights glow and the tea steam rises, Keep a deep breath and admire your work. You have turned an old piece of wood into something beautiful, full of creativity, care, and eccentric spirit. Remember, the joy of crafting lies not in perfection, but in the warmth it brings to your heart and home. Stay creative, stay mindful, and keep spreading handmade happiness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recycled craft ideas and peaceful DIY inspiration. Thank you, be a part of this journey, and thank you, be a part of this beautiful video. Stay tuned with us, stay connected with us. We are trying to bring that amazing and unique collection for everyone who wants to watch something unique and beautiful. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you so much. Have a very nice and good day. We want to create something unique and amazing. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. Wishing you a very, very happy, beautiful holiday. Happy, beautiful crafting ideas. May your home fulfilled with craft, happiness, togetherness, and many more. You have, what you want to have in your life. So make this beautiful craft with your kids. Let them do what they want to do. Let them create something. Let them paint something beautifully. So it's your time to turn beautiful. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Keep watching, keep supporting my channel. If you like the video, if you like the idea, then your comment is really very beautiful and very helpful for us to do something better and beautiful.